Hi, my name is Maria Andrea Lora Portillo. I am 19 years old. I am 7th semester architecture student at the Pontificia Bolivariana University. And I am going to talk about social media networks. What are social networks? Social networks in virtual worlds are sites and applications that operate at different levels, and such as professional relationship, among others, but always allowing the essential for information between people and or companies. And social network, the concept of social network has been used to analyze interactions between individuals and group organizations or events in the society. Next, when they emerged, and it was in the 1990s with the internet evolved that the idea of a social network also migrates to the virtual. Okay, at the beginning of the millennium, page animates at user interaction beginning to emerge. Friendster, MySpace, Orkut, and Hi-Fi are some examples of illustrated sites in the period. Many of the most popular social networks today also emerge at that time, such as LinkedIn and Facebook. Few people imagined that social media would have as big an impact as it does today, but the desire to connect with other people from anywhere in the world has made people and organizations increasingly immersed in social networks. Not surprisingly, how ties work indicates that until the end of 2016, 2.8 billion people used social networks in the world. Okay, next. And positive points of social networks. The usage of social networks has been observed by people around the world, and today is already part of the routine. This makes this space a place where brands and companies will also like to interact during they prosper, and clients bringing very positive possibilities such as, okay, one, real time information, and social networks allow urgent messages from the brand to be communicated on the official channel. This is very important in the case of crisis management. For example, where it is necessary for the brand to position itself quickly to preventing it from taking great proportions. Okay, two, and to be able to know more about of the each your clients. Okay, people share their taste, wishes, and other information that can be valuable for companies which Companies when approaching their target audience stay tuned to watch relevant to your audience you better connect to it. Okay, 3. Create an environment controlled by the brand. Regardless of who your audience is, it will on some social networks. 4. And share the vision of the company. Okay, and social networks are a queen of such case for your company, and that you will able to know the vision of the business. It was in believing. Okay, next. And what are the types of social networks? And you many think that social networks are all the same, but they are not. In fact, they are generally divided into different types. According to the goals of the user when creating a profile, than of type. The most common classification is relationship social networks, environment social networks, and professional social networks, and niche social networks. Okay, Juan. Relationship social networks. You may be thinking, what isn't the purpose of social media to relate? Okay, in fact, that is the goal of most of them. But there are some that are especially focused on that. The best known case is Facebook, and was purpose at and listen in its conceptions was to connect people. Entertainment social network. Entertainment social networks are those in which the main objective is not interact with people, but consign connect. The most iconic, for example, is YouTube, the world's largest video distribution platform, where the goal is to post and watch videos. And 3, the professional social networks. And the professional social network, there are tools in which users aim to create professional relationship with other users, and discerning professional projects and achievements, and present their CV and silk as well as head duration and job. And 4, niche social network. And niche social network are tools animate at a specific audience. Bit is a professional category or people, and who have a specific interest in connection, interest in common. One of the most emblematic case is as of trip advisor, and where user attribute and not commons to attractions and relates to be relates to the gastronomic and tourist sector. On next, and the most used social networks in Colombia. According to the digital 1919 research Colombia carried out by Art Social and Housing, there are 34 million active and users on social networks within the country, and of this, 31 million are users via my website. Now the most used social network in Colombia. Instagram and Facebook and Twitter and YouTube, WhatsApp and Pinterest, Snapchat, LinkedIn and Google and Messenger. Okay, next and conclusion. Social media has become is a virtual is, as these are functional in many ways as well dangerous. We know that the let's then with networks in the working environment. In the working environment, it's that many people dedicate themselves to each medium taking it's a job, and even as their only source of income, and these people talent influencer dedicate their time to spot their life things they do or do or not influencer millions of people, aged positive or negative, making this a double and edged and weapon. And thank you.